Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Sandhya Ki Classes. And my name is Sandhya. And friends, if you are new over here, so please do subscribe my channel. In this video, I am going to share with you some daily use English sentence. So without further any delay, let's start the video. I eat bread every day. I eat bread yesterday. I go to work every day. I went to work yesterday. I read a book every day. I read a book yesterday. She plays tennis every week. She played tennis last week. She drinks tea every week. She drank tea last week. She writes an email every week. She wrote an email last week. I watch TV every day. I watched TV yesterday. I sleep well every day. I slept well yesterday. I work here every day. I worked here yesterday. I cook dinner every day. I cooked dinner yesterday. I help my neighbor every day. I helped my neighbor yesterday. She buys bread every week. She bought bread last week. She sells books every week. She sold books last week. I take a bus every day. I took a bus yesterday. I send a letter every day. I sent a letter yesterday. I open the door every day. I opened the door yesterday. I close the window every day. I closed the window yesterday. I call my friend every day. I called my friend yesterday. Now next. I learn new words every day. I learned new words yesterday. I show my work every day. I showed my work yesterday. I built a table every day. I built a table yesterday. I wash clothes every week. She washed clothes last week. She runs fast every week. She ran fast last week. I sang songs every day. I sang songs yesterday. I deliver packages every day. I delivered packages yesterday. I fixes the car every week. I fixed the car last week. I changed my pen every day. I changed my pen yesterday. I carry a box every day. I carried a box yesterday. I eat fruits every week. I ate fruits last week. She goes to school every week. She went to school last week. So friends, if you like my video, then please like, subscribe and share, because this video is very useful for you. So thanks for watching my video. Thank you.